Good morning students. Welcome to 11th physics class. Today topic is on kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases divided 3. The origin of pressure, average kinetic energy, origin of temperature. Okay. The origin of temperature divided 3. RMS speed, most probable speed, mean speed. Average kinetic energy is called Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution function. Next topic, degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom means free molecules. The minimum number of independent coordinates needed to specify the position and configuration of a thermodynamical system in space is called the degree of freedom of the system. So outerல உள்ள degrees of freedom, அதாவது free molecules means ஒரு தெர்மோடைனமிக்ஸில் உள்ள வெப்ப இயக்கவியலோட அமைப்பு, அதோட ஸ்டேட்டஸ் மற்றும் அதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தேவைப்படக்கூடிய மினிமம் மாலிகூல்ஸோட கவுண்டிங் சுதந்திர கூறுகள் ஆர் ஃப்ரீ மாலிகூல்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். தட்ஸ் ஆல். A free particle moving along x-axis needs only one coordinate to specify it completely. So, its degree of freedom is 1. Okay. Then, similarly, a particle moving over a plane has 2 degrees of freedom. Then, a particle moving in a space has 3 degrees of freedom. Suppose, if you have n number of gas molecules in the container, then the total number of degrees of freedom is F is equal to 3n. Okay. Suppose system has 2 number of constraints or restriction in motion. Then the degrees of freedom decreases and it's equal to small f is equal to 3n minus q. Here n is the number of particles. Monatomic molecule. A monatomic molecule by virtue of its nature has only 3 translational degrees of freedom. That is 3 movement particles. Example, helium, neon, argon. Next, diatomic molecule. There are 2 cases. First one at normal temperature. Second one at high temperature. At normal temperature, a molecule of diatomic gas consists of 2 atoms bound to each other by a force of attraction. Then 3 axis, translational motion of the center of mass. Mass is center mass. The rotational motion about the z axis. Then vibrational motion along the molecular axis. So 3 types of motion. So mass oda central linear motion, different axis பொறுத்து அதோட மூமெண்ட் இருக்கும். That's all. Then next one, high temperature. At high temperature, at a very high temperature, the diatomic molecules possess additional 2 degrees of freedom due to vibrational motion. One due to kinetic energy of vibration and other is due to potential energy. So totally there are 7 degrees of freedom. F is equal to 7. Example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. That's all. The next, linear triatomic molecule. In this type, 2 atoms lie on either side of the central atoms. Linear triatomic molecule has 3 translational degrees of freedom. It has 2 rotational degrees of freedom because it is similar to diatomic molecule except there is an additional atom at the center. Example, carbon dioxide. A linear triatomic molecule has 7 degrees of freedom. Next, non-linear triatomic molecule. In this case, the 3 atoms lie at the vertices of triangle. It has 3 translational degrees of freedom and 3 rotational degrees of freedom about 3 mutually orthogonal axes. The total degrees of freedom F is equal to 6. Example, water, sulfur dioxide. That's all. The next law of equipartition of energy. The sharing, equal sharing law. The equal sharing energy law. Okay. According to kinetic theory, the average kinetic energy of system of molecules in thermal equilibrium at temperature T is uniformly distributed to all degrees of freedom. அதாவது x or y or z directions of motion. So that each degree of freedom will get 1 by 2 kT of energy. This is called law of equipartition of energy. அதாவது equal energy sharing law. That's all. The next application of law of equipartition energy in specific heat of gas. The Mayer's relation Cp minus Cv is equal to R connects the two specific heats for 1 mole of an ideal gas. Law of energy is used to calculate the value of Cp minus Cv, the ratio between then Cp by Cv. Okay, it is adiabatic exponent. Here heat no transfer. Applications of law in sharing energy. First one, monoatomic molecule. Average kinetic energy of molecule. This is. Next, diatomic molecule. This is total energy. Then third one, triatomic molecule. There are two. First one, linear molecule. Next one, non-linear molecule. Then according to kinetic theory model of gases, the specific heat capacity at the constant volume and constant pressure are independent of temperature. But in reality, it is not true. The specific heat capacity varies with the temperature. Cv and Cp are higher for diatomic molecules than the monoatomic molecules. The next topic, mean free path. Usually the average speed of gas molecules is several hundred meters per second even at room temperature. Odor, a smell from an open perfume bottle takes some time to reach us even if we are closer to the room. The time delay is because the odor of the molecules cannot travel straight to us. It undergoes a lot of collisions with the nearby air molecules and moves in zigzag path. So this average distance travelled by the molecule between collisions is called mean free path, lambda. We can calculate the mean free path based on kinetic theory. We know from postulates of kinetic theory that the molecules of gas are in random motion and they collide with each other. Between two successive collisions, a molecule moves along a straight path with uniform velocity. This path is called mean free path. Okay. But consider a system of molecules each with diameter d from the figure. Let n be the number of molecules per unit volume. Assume that only one molecule is in motion and all others are at rest as shown in the figure. If a molecule moves with average speed v in a time t, the distance travelled is vt. In this unit, t consider the molecule to move in an imaginary cylinder of volume by d squared vt. So mean free path lambda is equal to distance travelled by number of collisions. So lambda is equal to Vt by n by d squared Vt. Here we cancelled. So lambda is equal to 1 by n by t squared. Okay. Next, mean free path increases with increasing temperature. As the temperature increases, the average speed of each molecule will increase. Okay, then mean free path increases with the decreasing pressure of the gas and diameter of the gas molecules. That's all. Okay students, Today topic is over. Today homework. Question number 1. Write down the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. Second one. Derive the expression of pressure exerted by the gas on the walls of the container. Third one. Explain in detail the kinetic interpretation of temperature. The question is, describe the total degrees of freedom for monatomic molecule, diatomic molecule and triatomic molecule. So students, read these questions well and write test. Thank you students. God bless you.